we doing?
Mice.
No.
What are you doing with Jackson?
Can you hold this? Audrey, can you tell your mom what we're doing? Are we making him dinner? No, but it sounds like he's pushing dinner.
We ate
no.
like, what, 4.5 ounces?
Uh-oh. As soon as I put this on, he'll probably jack attack it.
Just don't jack attack me, Aunt Katie.
Or the thermometer again.
What do you know?
You gonna help him? Be gentle. That's really helpful, Audrey. Careful, make sure it gets in his mouth. Just wiggle it. Say, here you go, Jacka boy.
Oh, not again.
Uh-oh.
Oh, not again? Did he spit it out?
Can you sing him a song? That might... Nope, you gotta stop doing